These are the ingredients you're going to need for your banana pancakes. You're going to need half a cup of water or milk and 1 cup of the pancake mix and 1 banana, and then you mix it all together. You can use a regular blender for this. In this case, I used my Ninja. You warm up your saucepan with low heat, and in this case I'm using a little bit of olive oil spray so it won't stick, and then you just pour it in. You let it bubble up a little bit. Once you see the bubbles, give it a few seconds and then just turn it over. Give it a few more seconds and it should be ready. So I turned it over and this is the other side. Once it looks like this, it's thoroughly cooked and it should be ready. Okay, so this is the finished product. I just topped it off with whatever fruit I had at home and some sugar-free syrup since I am trying to eat healthier these days.